Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to optimize a PDF with PDF.co web API using PHP programming language. Let's start. First, I'm going to show you the file size and what the sample PDF that we're going to use looks like. Now, prepare the sample HTML and PHP code for your program. After that, you may now run your program on your local host. The program runs successfully. Insert your API key and attach the sample PDF file that you're going to optimize. Click the output link to view and download the optimized PDF. Here's what the optimized PDF looks like. The quality is preserved while lowering the file size of the PDF. You may now download the optimized PDF. As you can see, the file size is lower compared to the original PDF. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.